we're in rust repair with a new client project. This is a Swb Vario. It's an ex-ambulance, as you can see from the lights at the top and the standard ambulance step. I have the same on this one, and well, it's been repainted, but the paint job was a typical spray on the rust kind of job, where you can see that we have some filler on the rusty bits. You can see bubbles here on the rear wheel arch, and here it's coming through the bottom as well. Same here. The scuttle panel is going to be changed as well, because it's been painted, but it's full of rust as well. And to show you the quality of the paint job, I don't know if it shows really well, but even the fiberglass wind deflectors here have some bubbles, like here for example. You can see it's flexing because the prep was perfect. Doors, and also the two spots where basically some bolts went against the bodywork from inside, so those needs to be addressed as well. So yeah, that's going to be the project for the next few days. Swb Vario.